I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing these pedals on the Reynolds Flight 800 road bike. Let's get started. Okay, you can see that I have the bike inverted, resting on the seat and the handlebars so that I can access the crank easier. I'm going to be installing these, the E-PR2BKs with the EPSR interface. I'll get these out of the box and show you what they look like. Okay, in the box, we have our pedals. That is the right one. There's the left one. The instructions. The part that will attach onto the shoes. And this will hook into here once they're on the shoes. And we've got some screws with to mount the cleats or clips onto the bike. Okay, here we are on the right side of the bike. I got a little bit of grease on here. This side, right side should turn clockwise to tighten. This is a 6mm Allen. Ratchet. I'm just gonna hold on to this as tight as I can. There we go. That was nice and tight. There we are with the left side. The left side should be the opposite direction. So get it as tight as I can. There we go. Well, I'll do it for installing the Exustar or Exustar pedals on the Reynolds Flight 800. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.